Namaskar. How did I made this universal gesture controlled mouse? Parts used. Two flex sensors. A flex sensor or bend sensor is a sensor that measures the amount of deflection or bending. One MPU 6050 sensor. It is a 3-axis accelerometer and gyro sensor. It is just a combination of three sensors, which is basically accelerometer, gyro sensor and temperature. We will be using only the gyro sensor right now for our project. One ESP32 node MCU chip. It is basically a series of low-cost, low-power system embedded on a chip that can be programmed, which has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth facility. Basically, it is a small computer. Two resistors, wires, glove, etc. Let's mount it, shall we? Two flex sensors located each on thumb and index finger for left and right clicks. Gyro sensor located in between these two fingers, able to point towards the screen like this. Node MCU located just behind these two sensors. Connections. Code. So I won't be explaining you all the entire code and nooks and crooks of the code, but what code is just basically a predefined logic that we are telling to the ESP32 board. Now, to put it very simply, what the code is doing is it's just telling that if the flex sensors assigned to left click and the right click of the mouse are bent, then click that respective mouse button on the computer. Another thing that we are telling ESP board is about the motion of the gyroscope sensor along X and Y axis. We are taking that values, converting them into computer understandable numbers, and those numbers are provided to the computer to move the cursor on the computer accordingly. Enough talking, let's put this thing to work. Let's create a circle in Microsoft Paint. My life in a nutshell. Okay, let's try it one more time. The beauty of this device that I created is it is not only compatible with laptop but also mobile devices. Yes, it can be connected to Android, iPhone, all phone devices, and a cursor pops up and you can control almost any device. Isn't it cool? One important thing that I experienced while making this glove was I was too focused on the goal. I was too focused on the results of it. If we think about the results of what we are doing, whatever we are doing, then we tend to hallucinate about it. Instead, we need to involve ourselves totally. We need to devote ourselves totally to the process, to the simple, small actions right now that we are taking. Then results are on the way. Namaskar.